Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. Got a really neat bike here. It's a 2002 Drz400s. It's got the aftermarket chain tensioner, Yoshi exhaust, tank bag's been pushed back, tires are really off-road aggressive and really decent shape. You can see the nubbies on them and everything yet. Newer brake pads. I've got all the maintenance records that the owner gave with, aftermarket moose seat, and the shock for how nice this bike looks and how great the condition is it's got 29,000 miles on it, which is a lot for a Wisconsin bike. And he rebuilt it this winter himself, then had a physical issue where he's done riding. So this motor is fresh. It's probably got less than 2 hours on it, and it sounds good, runs crisp, really strong. Let me get this, choke it. Standard cold-blooded. I gotta hold the clutch in to